Welcome to Harley-Davidson of Danbury's virtual showroom. My name's Al Lucchino. I'm the owner of the dealership, and thank you for joining me in my home today. I want to introduce this 2025 Billiard Gray Road Glide to you. This is an awesome motorcycle. The Billiard Gray with the optional black trim is stunning. The bike sells for a little over $29K. The black forks, the black motor, and the gray paint really come together to give a visually stunning motorcycle. But there's a lot more to the Road Glide than just the visual and the stunning contrast between the gray and the black paint. The Road Glide really handles better than any touring bike has a right to, and it's because we've got this frame-mounted fairing, which makes it very light on the controls. Cornering and turning in low-speed situations is very easy. I'll use the phrase, the bike handles virtually like a baby carriage. And it's less affected by turbulence and crosswinds because of that frame-mounted fairing. But there's more to it. The triple tree is a very unique design. The forks are mounted behind the steering stem, gives almost a self-centering steering effect to the handling of the bike. It's a great design, and like I said, the Road Glide handles better than any touring bike has a right to. And there's a reason why when you see Harley racing bikes in King or the Bagger series that the fairings are Road Glide style fairing. It's a handling and an aerodynamic advantage. Now, having said that, this bike also has the 117-inch motor, 1918 cc's, 6-speed transmission, belt drive, quiet, clean, virtually maintenance-free, high-quality Dunlop tires, radials, Brembo brakes, ABS brakes, traction control, ride modes, infotainment. It's got it all. But there's some other important things that I want to articulate and share with you. At our dealership, Harley-Davidson of Danbury, we've been in business 30 years. One of our most popular options is the Jekyll and Hyde multi-mode exhaust. You've got 3 modes, quiet, medium, and loud. It's not on this motorcycle, but it is one of our most popular exhaust systems. It goes on without any fuel injection modifications, and you've got quiet, medium, and loud, all electronically controlled from the handlebar. Come to Harley-Davidson of Danbury. We can demonstrate it for you. Ask us about it. Right behind us is our DynoJet 250i. We have a dynamometer. We offer dyno services. We can test and tune your fuel-injected motorcycle or your carbureted motorcycle. So we have a skill level and expertise here at Harley-Davidson of Danbury, second to none. Come on down to our dealership. We're open Tuesday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., and Saturdays, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. And let's take this Road Glide for a ride. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the dealership.